We'll guide you through how to master Asana expert techniques. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and log into your account. To really elevate your workflow, start by utilizing custom fields. These allow you to track additional data points beyond the standard task information. Go to a project and click on Customize in the top right corner. Under Fields, click Add Custom Field. Here, you can create fields for priorities, estimated time, or any metric that matters to your team. Another powerful feature is the Timeline view, which is perfect for project planning. Click on Timeline at the top of your project view. This will let you map out your project schedule visually, making it easier to spot dependencies and potential bottlenecks. Speaking of dependencies, you can set them by clicking on a task, then clicking the three dots for more actions. Choose Add Dependency to link tasks that rely on one another. This ensures everyone knows what needs to be completed first. For those managing multiple projects, the Portfolio feature is a game changer. It provides a high-level overview of all your projects, showing progress and status at a glance. Click on Portfolios in the sidebar to get started. You can create a new portfolio and add projects to it, allowing you to track everything in one place. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of keyboard shortcuts to speed up your workflow. For example, pressing Tab plus Q quickly creates a new task, and Tab plus X marks a task complete. These shortcuts make navigating Asana much faster. By mastering these expert techniques, you'll streamline your processes and improve productivity. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.